Our ability to survive depends on forest, from the oxygen we breathe to the wood we use. Forests offer more than just habitat for animals and means of living for people. They also protect watersheds, stop soil erosion, and lessen the effects of climate changes. But right now, people are destroying the forest and environment by cutting down many trees for livelihood. Carelessly throwing garbage along the sides of the road, on the streets, and in the water bodies. And burning plastics that can release toxic chemical. And if this continues, the trees will gradually run out, and the animals in the forest will have no place to live. Large flood, super typhoons, and landslides will be experienced due to the lack of trees that serves to protect people from calamities. Throwing trash everywhere causes contaminated environment, produce unpleasant odor, and bringing disease. And now, we've learned that we have to love and care the environment so no one will have a health problems. It realizes us because if you truly care with the creation of God, we can't damage the nature that He created. We will protect it, clean it, and not doing bad things that can affect the surroundings. Our plans to help environment is to have a bayanihan, have a teamwork, help each other, so the environment will have a fresh air, relaxing and peaceful. Our aims as a future forester is to preserve and manage protected ecological areas and support every aspects of a forest, including the trees, soil, and animals and their habitats. And we believe in the sayings that plant a tree, plant in our future.